Welcome to Westman. To get the most out of your experience, we encourage you to sign up for a My Westman account, the hub to manage your account online. This video will give a quick walkthrough to show what the features include. To get started, go to mywestman.westmancom.com. Here you will be asked for your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, click to sign up. Then enter your preferred email address and password to get started. Ensure your password meets all the requirements listed, then press Continue. To confirm your Westman account, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, and account number. Once your details look accurate, click the Submit button. To match your identity as the primary account holder, you may be asked some additional questions. Once you've provided this information, click Submit. That's it. You're done. You should now have a My Westman account. With your account, you have the freedom to view or pay a bill, access your webmail, view a digital statement, and manage your services easily and conveniently online. Let's get into the details. Westman's View or Pay a Bill section gives you the choice of various billing options. From here, you can enroll in paperless statements, pre-authorized payments, or make a one-time payment. You can also securely add a credit card to your account for one-time or future payments. From the My Westman home, click the View or Pay My Bill button on the left-hand side. Once on this page, you'll see all your accounts under your name. The ability to manage multiple accounts, all in one portal, is one of the many benefits of My Westman. To manage a specific account, click the account title to open a drop-down menu. Check the box for paperless statements if you no longer wish to receive paper copies of your Westman statement. Check the box for pre-authorized payments if you'd like to enroll in automatic withdrawals. You will be required to review and accept the pre-authorized payments terms shown. Click Pay Now to easily make a one-time payment. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information in the field shown, as well as the amount you wish to pay. The current amount of your bill will automatically show up, but can be changed to a preferred amount. If you would like to make payments on multiple accounts, click the Add to Checkout button under each chosen account. This will combine your totals for you and ensure payments are made to the correct accounts. Click Pay Now once all required accounts have been selected. To add a credit card to your profile, click the blue Add a Credit Card button. You will be queued to enter your credit card details into our secure database. If you want your credit card information to be remembered for the future, click Save Card at the bottom of the page. Once you've double-checked your information, click Pay. You will be redirected to a page that gives you a confirmation number along with your payment, saying it's been approved. This sums up the View or Pay a Bill section of My Westman. The View a Statement section gives you the freedom to view your digital records whenever you wish. In here, you can find digital versions of your previous bills back to 6 months, equity statements back to 2013, T4A statements back to 2013, and long-distance phone statements back to 6 months. To get started, click the View a Statement button on the lower left-hand side. You will now be on the View a Statement homepage. Click the desired button to see your statements. For example, if you wish to see a bill statement, click the top right button titled Bill Statements. Once the button is clicked, a drop-down will open with all your previous statements. Please note, how far back you can go is dependent on how long you've been a Westman customer. Click on the period you wish to see, and a separate PDF window will open. From here, you have instant access to your desired bill. You may also print from this screen. When back in the View a Statement home, click the button again to close the accordion menu. All statement buttons work in a similar fashion. The only statement section that is slightly different is the T4A section. To view a previous T4A statement, you'll be required to enter your last 4 digits of your SIN number for security purposes. Once the digits are entered and confirmation is successful, you'll be able to see your previous T4A statements on your account. That summarizes the View a Statement section of My Westman. View any Westman statement you wish, as easy as the click of a button. With the latest addition to the My Westman portal, you can manage your services online. Make additions to your TV package, including upgrading to the next plan or adding specific theme packs and individual channels to your existing Westman TV package. Here you can also upgrade your internet speed to a higher plan. To make things even better, all changes take place in real time. To begin, select the Manage Services button on the lower right-hand side. The next screen will show all accounts under your name. Click on the account title you wish to manage. The following screen will show you your account details, including the services you're currently subscribed to, in an organized top window. To see the full list of details for your account, click the blue More Details button underneath your monthly total. This will open a window with all services and equipment on your account, along with the pricing. If you're currently receiving a promotion price, you will see the slash over the regular price and the promotion price underneath in a different color. Scroll down and press the blue button to close the window. After reviewing your current Westman services, scroll down to make any adjustments. The first tab you will see is Television. The package you are currently subscribed to will be faded out and will be clearly marked as currently subscribed with a check mark. Any package that is higher up will be darker and have the Add to Cart option on the right-hand side. To view what channels are in your current package or are in another package, select the View Details option under the TV package description. All logos of channels within that package will show. If you want to learn more information about a specific channel, hover over the channel logo and details will appear. To add additional packs or channels to your current subscription, scroll further down. Here you can add specialty packs, theme packs, and variety packs, as well as a variety of individual channels. Just as the television packages, the packs that you're already subscribed to will be faded out and clearly marked as currently subscribed. To see full pack details, including what channels are included in each package, select the arrow beside the theme name. This will open the package and show channel details. Again, hover over the channel logo to view a full channel description and access their website. If you wish to add a pack to your current subscription, click the blue button on the right-hand side. You can do this with as many additional packages as you wish. A convenient window will show in the bottom right corner with your account changes and revised total. You can continue to add as many packs to your subscription by clicking Add to Cart for every desired theme pack. If a pack is selected and you've changed your mind, simply click the button on the right, which will now show Remove from Cart. This will remove the pack and the pricing from the window. If there are no new additions to your services, the pop-up window will disappear. Individual channels can also be added to your current subscription. To do so, select the Individual Channels tab. All available channels will show in alphabetical order. And again, on the right-hand side, it will either say Currently Subscribed in gray or Add to Cart in a blue button. Select the blue button for all channels you want to add to your subscription. You can also continue to add additional packages to your account if you wish. Once you're happy with all changes to be made and it looks correct in the window, click the button Review Total and Order. Let's take a look at the Internet section. The second tab on Managed Services is Internet. Click the tab to access Internet Package Options. The package you are currently subscribed to will be faded out and will be clearly marked as currently subscribed with a check mark. Any package that is faster in speed will be darker and have the Add to Cart option on the right-hand side. To change your subscription, click the blue Add to Cart button. Again, a convenient window will show in the bottom right corner with your account changes and the new monthly total. Once you're happy with all the changes to be made and it looks correct in the window, click the button Review Total and Order. A new page will load where a confirmation will be requested for the changes to be made. After the conditions have been read and you agree to the terms and conditions by clicking a check in the box, you may now accept or decline the requested changes. If the Decline and Go Back button is clicked, you'll return to the previous Managed Services page. This sums up the Managed Services section of My Westman. My Westman has a few other convenient options that can be accessed with the click of a button, including accessing your webmail account. Click the top right button to continue. A new window will open with the login screen to your webmail account. If you have any trouble accessing your webmail, please contact Technical Services. Two other buttons can be found under the 4 primary buttons. Here you can start to use some of the benefits of being a Westman member. Click the Watch WCGtv Online button to access your online account. Once logged into WCGtv Online, you can view live and on-demand WCGtv content. The next blue button to the right, labeled Westman Go Apps, leads to your Watch TV Everywhere account. A benefit of being a Westman member means you can watch your TV subscriptions anywhere, anytime. To learn more about Go Apps, go to Westman Go Apps under the television section of our website. This concludes the My Westman walkthrough. To sign out of your My Westman account, click the button Sign Out on the right side.